It's the fucking brand new.
Uh-oh. Hey!
What?
You.
Where are we at?
Luther.
In Luther? What are we doing?
I don't know.
We having fun or what?
I don't know. I think you guys are getting drunk.
Yeah, a little bit. Did you tell the viewers about your experience on the way up here?
Which one?
Running into the fans?
Oh, we were at Burger King, and some little kid and his father were on their phone, and he said, "Dad, that's Raptor Man." And sure enough, the kid knew who I was. So thought that was pretty cool.
It was pretty cool. I saw it happen before it even was a thing. It was pretty cool.
So this is the North Rivers Lodge. There's something like 18 bedrooms here, few different baths. I gotta show them the toilet paper holder though. That was actually pretty fucking cool.
It's the fucking brand new.
Hang on,
It's the brand new. What?
dude. You can't even tell.
Skills. I got a magic marker. It's off.
That's awesome. Oh wow, Jay's going all out.
Hell yeah, you gotta do this to yours too.
Let me see him.
You what?
Got them Air Force wands.
This way,
Those Air Force wands.
Air Force wands.
they might not rip through the bottom this way, you know.
A little
Yeah.
extra protection.
Either that or you're gonna slide even more.
No, you'll get more grip off
You're
of
gonna
this
grip.
than you will that. Like, I don't know. You got to do it too, dude.
That's crazy stuff right there.
Worst case scenario.
Same bunk.
Yep.
He's
Local
like-
church donated some seats. We got some seats out here. Nice picnic table.
Here we
Oh
go.
boy. Got the razor and the rest of the toys.
Oh yeah. What do we got going on here, people?
Like, share, comment, subscribe. First ride.
Say what's up, fellas. I don't know what's going on over here. Holy shit, they got the whole quad disassembled. They're hooking up the nitrous kit right now is what they're doing. Look at that air
It's gonna
filter.
breathe fire right now.
Holy
God,
shit.
it's breathing oil.
You bring that 110, right? First and foremost, we got the 450 that won't start because somebody doesn't keep a battery tender on their stuff. We got the, what is this, Chris?
2014 Yamaha YFZ 450R Special Edition.
No, it's not the special. They
Yes,
don't.
it is.
They don't got the medals. Oh, it is the special. Okay, I see. They didn't come with the metal heel guards on this.
Nope.
It's pretty
I
dope.
think it's a different spec. That's why he got it for cheaper, because they were going for 10 with the medals and a black front bumper. He was able to track this one down for, I think, 9.
Hey, that's Pete Hager red, I believe.
Pete Hager red.
Jay over here working on the Honda. I smell gas. And, oh, I smell lots of gas. We're
dump
getting
it.
froggy over here. Nobody light a cigarette.
I think we'll be alright.
I hope so.
4000 EX is experiencing some carburetor
Yeah.
issues. She'll be just fine for the trip.
Got the 2007 Yamaha Raptor. Hell
Taking
yeah.
some bumps and bruises along the way, but she's a kitten. She purrs.
Got old True Blue.
With the new,
It improved.
all new Neon Flexzilla. That's that custom Auto Works Black Lavender.
And then we got Corey, aka Littlefoot, just be like, yeah, you know what? Just gonna fucking send it.
And copyright infringement. The Lakers are cool. We do yellow and purple because it's fun.
Like, I want to sit here and video this quad, but I'm just not gonna.
Yeah, it's not worth it.
Don't let them fool you. They're all pavement princesses except mine. I'm the only one that rides it.
Oh, really? Really? Also the only one I know that takes out trees.
All right, well, we're getting ready to jump on the quads and enjoy our first ride. So I'll see you guys back. Peace.
Jump in.